Hello, this is an overview of the APR Calculator, and we're going to go over how you can calculate APR for home loans as well as for payday loans and similar products. So the first thing you need to know is that you need your own copy of this document. That's because it's a shared Google Sheet, and you might want to keep your information private, or you might want to have your own copy that other people aren't working over, and when you make changes, you're not working over their work. So the easiest way to do that is to click here for your own copy, then click that link, or you can say File and make a copy. Either way, you will get your own document that is yours and yours only. Then you can start making changes. So you can change any of the green boxes. Let's start with the APR for home loans. Assume you have a loan amount here. You're going to enter that as $150,000, let's say, and the interest rate is 6%, and we'll leave it at 360 months. That's a 30-year loan. And it's going to ask you what your fees are. These are the closing costs that are going to affect your APR. Of course, if you have zero fees, then the interest rate and the APR are the same. But if you're going to pay $2,000 in fees, for example, that affects the APR, and you can see what it is there. Next, moving on to APR for payday loans. By the way, I would love it if you would please subscribe. You can do so down in the lower right. I believe that helps me out quite a bit, and I promise I won't overwhelm your feed, so please do that. For payday loans, the way it works is you enter your loan amount. We're going to do, let's say, $450. There's an amount you'll pay in interest if they tell you that, or if you're just paying fees. Either way, you need to know how you pay, so either leave that as zero or enter the amount. And the loan term, this is how many days you have to pay it back. Let's call that 14 days. And the fee in this case might be, let's call it $45. So the APR in that case is going to be about 260% if you have $45 in fees, and if you have interest, of course, it would be a little bit higher. Hope that helped, and enjoy using the calculator.